Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Doran, and today I'll be showing you how to make rice water as an overnight spray and why you should implement it to your regimen. So please stay tuned. So before we go on, I would like to say I got this beautiful hoodie from Latitude store. It's actually like a black store, so you should please support the brand. And yeah, they have varieties of like colors of hoodies and shirts. So if you have the time, I'd link um the store in my description below. So please do check it out. And yeah, if you're in Russia, anywhere in Russia, you can order it. It's actually really affordable and it's comfortable. So short story. My first attempt on rice water was this time last year when I first started my YouTube channel. And I used the rice water consistently for 4 months and or thereabout. And trust me, I actually saw like great differences because then I was trying to like grow my hair. Yes, I used it constantly for 4 months and they actually worked wonders. And my YouTube channel was like created on the basis that everyone should benefit from every single thing. And I'm not gonna try to like, keep any secret or lie to you. And as I said, I like to like, explore more on the DIY sites because I try to like avoid as many chemicals as possible from my hair. So yes, I used rice water and it was one of the main things that actually grew my edges, grew my hair, made my hair fuller. And yes, rice water works. And no, it doesn't smell. So you shouldn't like have to worry about the smell or maybe like you have to like wash your hair every time. No, you can actually use it as an overnight spray. And now I'm back to using rice water every night and I want to, go on this journey with you guys too so we can do it together. Anyways, so without any further ado, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't and watch out for more. So now I'm going to be showing you how I made this rice water from scratch. I'm actually not going to be saying anything, but I feel like the video is going to be like really self-explanatory and you basically don't need any special ingredients, just rice, water, spray bottle, a jar, lavender, and yeah, that's it. Basically, you're good to go. So if there's any need for me to like explain anything during the course of the video, I'm going to like write it, um, on the screen. So yeah, do watch out, and yeah, don't forget to check out the store, Latitude, on Instagram. Check out these websites, get yours, gift someone today, give someone in Russia today, and yeah, catch you guys later. is my butter mix. Just gonna check it. Has absolutely no smell. Like it actually smells nice instead. Ooh, yeah. And I let it to ferment for about 7 to 10 days. Actually, I'll actually suppose just for 1 week. You can actually do it for as long as possible. It doesn't actually matter. And actually, the more it's spent to ferment, the more effective it is. So I had to make a video, and I did it for 7 to 10 days, and this is what I got. So I'm just gonna spray it on my hair right now. I'm going to focus more on my scalp because that's what needs it the most. And when I'm satisfied with this around, just going to gently massage it so it can sip into it. My bonnet. This is basically my night routine. So it is nothing so sophisticated. It's just this. And I'm gonna protect my edges, so I'm gonna keep my ears in. Well, I kind of look, like but I don't care. I mean, I'm not going to a party tonight or in my dream. So basically, this is all about my night routine, and I'm gonna do this consistently for about 3 months, and I will show you guys the results after. So please, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and do everything. And thank you. Bye.